A hunt based only on the trophies taken falls far short of what the ultimate goal should be. Fred Bear. For everyone to be able to take their first deer is a real thrilling time in their life. I just shot my first deer about 8 or 9 years ago, and I can remember it was a real thrill, and it gives you a chance to not only find the deer that you want to take a shot at. It gives you reasons to think about being safe with your guns, and with everybody out looking around and walking and getting ready to shoot a high-powered rifle. And it really means a lot for them once they do get their first deer, and to be photographed with that, and then not only be able to shoot the deer, take and butcher the animal also and save the meat. It just a lot of fun being together, and a real lifetime event to be able to do that.
You almost want deer too.
I really like going out with the son-in-laws and the grandsons, and just being together with them, and being able to go out and walk and talk and just enjoy the wildlife and numerous things that we are able to do together. It's just a great time for the family.